Welcome. Today we hearing about the topic fundamental rights. Fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are the basic rights graduated by the Constitution of India to all citizens. These rights are considered essential for the overall development of an individual and for maintaining democracy in the country. Fundamental rights protect liberty, equality, and dignity of every citizen. They act as safeguard against injustice, discrimination, and misuse of power by the government or any authority. These rights provide legal protection and ensure that every individual is treated fairly in society. If any fundamental rights is violated, citizens have the right to approach the court for justice. Fundamental rights are included Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. They help in creating a democratic, fair and equal society. Features of fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are graduated by the Constitution of India. They protect the freedom, equality, and dignity of citizens. Fundamental rights are legally enforceable through courts. Citizens can approach court if their rights are violated. These rights prevent discrimination and exploitation. Fundamental rights help in maintaining democracy and social justice. Type of fundamental rights. First one, right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. First one, right to equality. Article 14 to 18. The right to equality ensure that all citizens are treated equally before the law. It prohibits discrimination based on religion, caste, race, gender, or place of birth. These rights guarantees equal opportunity in public employment, untouchability, and titles that create social inequality and abolished under this right. It promotes justice, fairness, and equality in society. Right to freedom. Article 19 to 22. The right to freedom provides essential freedom necessary for the development of individuals. Citizens have freedom of speech and expression. People can move freely, live in any part of the country, and choose any profession. It also protects citizens from unlawful arrest and detention. This right strengthens democracy and individual liberty. Right against exploitation. Article 23 to 24. This right protects people from exploitation and unfair treatment. Human trafficking and forced labor are prohibited. Children below 14 years are not allowed to work in factories or hazardous industries. It protects the dignity and freedom of individuals. Right to freedom of religions. Article 25 to 28. This right guarantees religious freedom to all citizens. People can follow, practice, and propagate any religion of their choice. Religion groups can manage their own religious institutions. India follows secularism where all religions are respected equally. Cultural and educational rights. Article 29 to 30. These rights protect the culture, language, and tradition of minorities. Citizens have the right to preserve their cultural heritage. Minorities can establish and manage educational institutions of their choice. These rights help maintain India's cultural diversity. Last one, right to constitutional remedies. Article 32. These rights allow citizens to approach court if their fundamental rights are violated. The Supreme Court and High Court can issue rights for justice. It protects and enforces all other fundamental rights. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called it the heart and soul of the Constitution. Importance of fundamental rights. Fundamental rights protect the freedom and dignity of individuals. They ensure equality and justice for all citizens. This right strengthen democracy and promote a responsible citizenship. They protect minorities and weaker sections of society. Fundamental rights prevent misuse of government power. They help maintain social harmony and national unity. Citizens gain confidence and security through these rights. Fundamental rights are essential for the development of democratic society. Conclusion. Fundamental rights are an important part of Indian Constitution. They protect freedom, equality and dignity of every citizen. These rights help people to live peacefully and confidently in society. They also strengthen democracy, promote justice and prevent discrimination and exploitation. Therefore, fundamental rights are essential for building a fair, equal and democratic nation. Evaluation. What are fundamental rights? Name any three fundamental rights. Explain the right to equality. Why is the rights to constitution remedies importance? How do fundamental rights help in democratic country? Thank you.